In this short tutorial, you will learn how to disable the contact poster feature on your iPhone. With the contact poster feature, you can customize how you appear on others' devices when contacting them. However, if you prefer not to share this with others, you can easily disable the contact poster feature. To get started, open up the phone app on your iPhone, then tap on the Contacts option at the bottom. After that, tap on the My Card option. Then tap where it says Contact Photo and Poster. To disable the contact poster feature on your iPhone, simply toggle off the switch. If you go back, you'll see that contact photo and poster is disabled. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.